Bear have a long body and no muscle. They can climb up trees and swim in the water. Bear take a long sleep. A baby bear goes hot. They come out in spring. Thank you.